I have here my GatorWorks microphone shield. Today I'm going to be unboxing it and setting it up and let you see how it works. Right now I have a microphone that I'm talking with, but there's no shield around it. So you're hearing the microphone by itself right now. I'm gonna set up the shield and see how well it works and see if it makes a difference. And we have two cards here. This shield is good for any kind of vocals. Okay, so we'll see how it works. Okay, it's adjustable. As you can see, it came in a small box. And here's their logo. See, it's nice and thick. It's a nice thick foam. About 1.5 inches. Now this should be our base. And this is the weighted base. It's quite heavy. Let's see how much it weighs. And that's, let's call it 3 pounds. And there's no instructions. I guess it's straightforward, right? 3 pieces. Let me screw here into there. Okay, that's all the way in. Now this goes here. Put this one on top. Now it's time to put this part on, the shield. I'm gonna put it right here. Just make sure it's tight. Okay. Now we put this in the center and attach this part. Now I'm just gonna attach my mic. Let me take this part off so I can attach my mic. And we can adjust it like so. I hope you're hearing a difference. I'm not sure if you're hearing any difference from when I just started until now. I hope this really sounds good because I'm counting on it to get my voiceovers to sound really nice. So I think it sounds good. I have it about 15 inches away from my mouth. My mic is in there. As you can see, it's right here. So this is how I sound with it. And I'm gonna talk without it and let you hear how I sound. So I'm gonna have to remove my mic and then I'll put it back. But I listened to what I recorded and it sounds really good. So I'm happy with it. But I'm gonna remove it right now and then we're going to I'm going to talk again so you can hear how it sounds. And I'm putting the mic at the same distance that it was when I was talking to you. It's about 15 inches away. I have it in my hand, so it's surely gonna sound different. This is the mic without the shield, so I'm gonna put it back so you can listen it again. I love the bass. The bass is nice and sturdy and strong. Everything about it is built nice. So here it is again. Let me put it back some more in there. You can adjust it. That's what I like. You can push it back all the way in. And I think I like the sound when it's hovering over the mic like this, when it's hugging the mic. I think I like that sound. Or when it's open. What do you think? Do you hear a difference? From the countertop all the way to the top, it's 18 inches high. And when it's hugging the mic like this, it's 9, it's opening a little bit, 9 inches, just about 9 inches. And so it's 18 inches by 9 inches wide. And when it's open like this, it's 16.5. All right, so that is it for me. This is the sound shield, and it seems to be working pretty good.